Hello, dear friends. How are you today? I'm Omid, and this is Speak English at Home. In this part, we're gonna talk about possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? We talk about them together, and if you like the video, you can subscribe our channel. Please listen. Here we have possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, our, your, their. What are they? In this part, we learn how to use possessive adjectives in our words, in our sentences for conversation. We go together and we talk about them. So, we talk about my. Here we talk about my as a possessive adjective. It is my car. It is my car. It is my car. You could say, this car is for me. My car is red. My car is red. Listen again. It is my car. It is my car. My car is red. We could say the car that I have is red. Or we could say she is my sister. She is my sister. She is my sister. She is my sister. And he is my brother. He is my brother. He is my brother. In this part, we go to understand how we talk about our things, our belongings. She is my sister. He is my brother. Or we could talk about ourselves. Or here, it is my marker. It is my marker. So, my. Listen again. It is my car. It is my car. My car is red. The color is red if we listen and if we look at the picture. Or, she is my sister. She is my sister. And he is my brother. Look at the picture. He is my brother. Now we can go to next part for your. What about this part? Next possessive adjective is your. Your. Listen. This is your class. This is your class. This is your class. And I'm your teacher. Or I'm your friend. Listen, my friends. I'm your teacher. I'm your teacher. I'm your friend. We are friends. I'm your friend. In this part, I talk about, your as a possessive adjective for you, something that belongs to you. Listen again. This is your class, and I'm your teacher, or we could say, I'm your friend. Next possessive adjective is his for men. And next one is his. We could use his for men. When somebody is a man, we don't talk about women. When someone we have and we talk about is a man, his. Listen. I'm his brother. I'm his brother. For this part, we have his for a man. Or we could say, this is his car. This is his car. This is his car. Listen. This is his car. This is his car. Okay? Listen again. For his as a possessive adjective, we talked about my, your, his. Listen. I'm his brother. I'm his brother. Or this is his car. This is his car. And next one is her. Her. We use her for a woman or a girl. Listen. I'm her brother. I'm her brother. She is my sister. We have a woman here or a girl. I'm her brother. Or we could say she is my sister. We have a girl. And we could say this is her car. This is her car. This is her car. We have a car here. The car belongs to a girl. This is her car. Listen again. I'm her brother. I'm her brother. This is her car. This is her car. Next possessive adjective is our, for we, for our things. Listen, we write it. Next one is our, for us, our, something that belongs to ourselves, to us. Listen, this is our house. This is our house. We are two. He is my brother. He is my brother. This is our house. We have a house. This is our house. We have a house together. Or next one, we say, this is our car. We have a car. This is our car. Yes, listen again. This is our house, or this is our car. Next one is their. Their. Next one is their. Their house, or their car. Listen, this is their house. This is their house. Or we could say, this is their car. We have two people here and a house. This is their house. This is their house. Or we say, this is their car. This is their car. This is their car. Dear friends, in this part, we talked about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his for men, or her for women, our for us, something that belongs to us, or their for people, for others. We talk about their things. My, your, his for men, her for women, our for us, their for some people. You can watch this video, and in next parts we have some other important grammatical points. This is the elementary level of English at home. In some other videos we have advanced grammar, advanced vocabulary for pronunciation, for collocation, and some other things that we want to talk about them in future. You can watch the videos, and if you like the structures of the videos, I really appreciate your subscription. If you could do it. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.